let me show you how you can make a typewriter effect with text in DaVinci Resolve 16 and control its speed. You use these kind of effects in many situations. One of them would be in feature films where you have an establishing shot and you want to describe the place. For example, here we say research facility, this and that, or laboratory, whatever, or base camp. Then you have that text somewhere down on the screen, but then generally it comes with a sound effect and it comes as a typewriter effect. Okay, so let's do it. It's something like this. Okay, let's do that. Let me save the project, close the timeline, and we'll do it from scratch. How do we do that? We go to the effects library and we're going to use text plus, not the normal text, text plus. Okay, this is a Fusion preset, that template actually that ships with the DaVinci Resolve 16. Good. So once we have it, we open the inspector and we just type whatever we need to type. Yeah, I'm going to type whatever I had. I prefer to keep it in capital letters. Research facility. And then what was that again? Atacama. I hope I'm writing it right. Atacama Desert and Chile. Okay, we just format the thing. We move it to, oh, sorry, not this one, to the right. We bring this one like this, move it here. With this tab, you will be able to control where to find it. Whoops. Yeah, they're quite wild. These controls can be quite wild, actually. 0.5. Okay. Yeah, just ever so slightly, but it's not really. Okay, good, good, nice. Bringing it down, something like this. Go back again, bring down the, yeah, something like this. I'm trying to find a healthy balance between something like this. So same, similar space here as in here. Something like this. So that this space is equal to this space, kind of. All right, and it's not too big on the screen when it's an establishing scene. Obviously, you can use it for different reasons, for different effects, for different situations. Good. Yeah, but now we only have a text that is static there. So how do I make it typewrite itself? Simple. We just need to come to the advanced controls that we have on the right on, not the advanced controls, not this one. It's the right on effect. It's this one, right on. You have this right on effect is the typing that happens, but well, I need it to happen on the screen. I can't keep playing with these things. Well, obviously we're going to keyframe this. So in the beginning, like the first keyframe here, we're going to have 0, okay, nothing, and then click a keyframe, and then say, how long does it take? Let's say, I don't know, and put it somewhere, because I want you to get in the habit of tweaking your timing in the Fusion tab. And I'll show you how to do that. Then you say, fine, I am going to move it to 1. And just by moving it, I have another keyframe created. So what happens is, this is what happens. It just happens to be quite a nice speed, by the way. But let's assume it is not the right speed. Then what I will do is click. Well, you're done. Actually, you can choose if you know exactly where it needs to end, then you're done. Okay, but I don't want you to be done. I want you to know more. So I need to show you some more stuff in the techniques. What if you're in a rush and you don't have time to keep trial and error, trial and error? Yeah, it's slower. Can we get it faster? Can we get it this? You want to have more control because this is a Fusion template. You can go to the Fusion tab, click this one, go to the Fusion tab. Okay, and what we will do is just open this keyframe. Okay, select this template. Okay, you don't need to open it, just click on keyframe. Obviously, when you click it first, you're not going to see much. It's going to be like so zoomed out, completely zoomed out. Just zoom in, keep zooming in until you get this. And then what you have, click on this template, and you will get these lovely keyframes. You have just 2 keyframes, start and start end. Okay, so you have both of them. Select both of them because there's the starting So there's, let me take you back. There's the start and there's the end. So 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, so this is what's written in there, because you could have 1, 1, which basically means it appears and disappears at the same, not really at the same time. It's like it's written and erased. You can do quite some fancy stuff with it. All right, this is your speed, and in Fusion you see that actually it's not, it's taken some time to show up. You can just select, oh sorry, just click somewhere down here, click somewhere down here, and select both, not the start, just this one, and then just choose what's the speed that you want. Okay, it's much faster if you do it like this, and then click. All right, if it's the right speed, fine.